doing your work equals prioritizing your relationship. And to me, and it nailed, like, as soon as I said that, I was like, oh, that's important. Because I think every time we hear prioritizing our relationship, we think like, oh, I got to go on date nights. I got to like, you know, we got to play,
make time for
we
each
got to play
other.
the question game in the backyard, you know, but I think like the biggest prioritization of your relationship you can do is you doing your own work, your partner doing their work, and then including each other and doing the work on your relationship. That is truly prioritizing your relationship. And then the things like date nights and the connections in the backyard and the emotional and physical intimacy, they need work, and you'll continue to have to put energy towards them, but it becomes much more of an effortless thing when you're doing your work. And that to me is like, that's prioritizing your relationship.